Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Dalintino Diaspora TV. Today we are talking about talent and talent hunt. You know, in the olden days, when a child in the family comes to tell the father that he wants to be a footballer, that he wants to be a musician, that he wants to be a comedian, and the father will certainly look for a way to cure such a child of what the ex-governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, called Iberiberism. But in these days, when a family has a professional footballer, a professional comedian, a professional singer, a professional dancer, then every Sunday they are going to church to give thanks to Almighty God and to pay their tithe. And so I was on a media trip to UK recently, and at the end of the course, we were supposed to produce not less than 10 minutes clip to show that we understood what we have studied. But right in the house of my cousin where I stayed, I met two intelligent, funny kids. They only heard that I am coming from Germany, and they conspired to shock their uncle. And they went to their bedroom, scripted, arranged, and gave me a shock of my life. Because the clip you're about to watch eventually was their brainchild. And this clip eventually formed my own presentation. And this very clip won the prize for the day. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we have also been mandated to look for such intelligent, funny kids that my organization can promote. Look around your house. Do you have any talent? Do you have any child in your vicinity that is doing one funny thing or the other? In comedy, in dancing, in singing, please call the number you're seeing on your screen. We will come right there, take their story, and turn their dreams into reality. Sit down right now and watch the winning clip, which two intelligent, funny kids made me to present, and that gave me the day in the United Kingdom. God bless you. Children, are you enjoying your breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, take your tea now.
You have to hurry up. You know we are getting late. You have to hurry up. You have to eat fast, okay?
We know!
They know. Hurry up now. So I can go. What I do, people conspiring. This is good. What are you do? What are you people conspiring? Yes, I'll drive you to school.
Yay!
Yes, so.
Daddy, the car keys, please.
I have it. Can you drive?
No. If
Traveling to school. Super. Okay, take your bags. I'll be right there with you immediately. So, we got to school.
I'm gonna take him to school. I'm gonna take him to school. I'm gonna take him to school. I'm gonna take him to school.
Where my bed? Are you I'm Wait a minute! What happened to my steering wheel?
Uncle, are you dreaming? You're not in Germany. You're in the UK.
Huh?
It's in the right-hand side. Uncle, come here.
Oh, what's going on here? I don't know what's going on. Where?
The steering wheel's there.
Where? Where? Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah.
Do you still have the key with you?
It is right hand drive.
This is right-hand drive, no hand signal.
Oh my God! Children, sorry, I can't.